The armed forces of Nigeria have confirmed that recent airstrikes in northwest Nigeria were part of coordinated efforts with the United States to confront terrorism and degrade ISIS-linked operational capabilities. Major General Samaila Uba, Director of Defense Information, stated the precision strikes followed credible intelligence and careful planning to minimize collateral damage. He emphasized that the operation demonstrates the federal government's unwavering resolve to prevent foreign fighters from establishing footholds within Nigeria. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs confirmed ongoing structured security and intelligence cooperation with international partners, stressing that the counter-terrorism efforts aim to protect civilian lives, uphold national unity, and safeguard the rights of all citizens, irrespective of faith or ethnicity. The airstrikes followed the deadly bombing at a mosque in Maiduguri, Borno State, which killed 5 people and injured dozens, underscoring the persistent security challenges in the region. U.S. Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth expressed gratitude for Nigerians' cooperation during the operation, while President Donald Trump hailed the strikes as a decisive measure against ISIS terrorists in the country. The armed forces reaffirmed their commitment to protecting lives and property nationwide, while continuing to work with international and inter-agency partners to restore peace and security. This is Flip TV.